In this section, we will take a deeper look at the flow canvas. Flow is a collection of metadata, map elements, and group elements that define a process. This is the BoomiFlow design canvas. This is where you will work to build your flows that will render as an app once published and run. The elements of BoomiFlow can be found along the left-hand side of the canvas. A flow ID and flow version ID are generated at the bottom of the flow canvas when you start building your flow. The flow ID remains constant throughout the lifecycle of the flow. Anytime a change is made on the canvas, such as adding a new map element, like a step element for example, the flow version ID changes. Therefore, the flow version ID stores a unique identifier generated by the flow engine for each version of the flow. In the bottom right-hand corner of the flow canvas, you will find the help menu for the flow canvas. This can be accessed by simply pressing Ctrl+H. This help menu gives you quick key requests and actions that can be made when working with the flow canvas. The elements found on the left-hand side of the BoomiFlow canvas are known as map elements. The start element is default and fixed to the BoomiFlow canvas. It cannot be deleted or manipulated. The step element is used to display rich text content to the end user when the flow is rendered as an app. The page element in BoomiFlow lets you create and structure a page. It is used in BoomiFlow to mimic an HTML form. The decision element allows you to route your flow via different execution paths depending on a set of conditions. For example, if a value is equal to a specific text. The operator element allows for the creation and updating of values. It can be used to concatenate two values, for example. The operator can perform math operations on number values, but one operation it cannot perform is division. The message element is used to send requests to third-party systems or service providers. The remaining map elements load, save, and delete will be covered in later trainings. Swim lane is found here on the BoomiFlow canvas as well, but it is not a map element. It is therefore known as a group element.